I saw her yesterday here, you know?
She wasn't even here in Gold Gym? Oh my god! I don't know, like, she didn't tell me, like, what's wrong with these girls. Like, 3 days ago, you know what? She was somewhere, like, in a nightclub or something, like, what is this? Realize this situation, guys. Guys, is it okay I will do here? This. It's okay. And then, like, I don't really, like, remember. She's talking about some, like, guys in a gym, like, I tell her, Samantha, I work 5 days a week, you know, 5 days a week. And what she said, like, it's not enough.
Huh.
I want money. All of this about money, like, I don't really know, like, about which money you're talking about, like, I don't understand, like, yeah, I make some money, but, like, I don't really know, like,
Right.
yes,
You're a hard worker.
yes, I don't know, like, I work, like, what's wrong with these girls? What's wrong?
They all like that.
Yeah, all.
You should
All.
really find someone else.
All.
Like someone normal.
You think?
Of course, yes. You deserve it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Can I clean it? You can drop. Can I clean here? It's no problem. Your bench. Yeah.
Can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name.
Good weight, I say. It's a fake?
What are you doing?
It's a fake weight or
No,
no?
it's no way.
Is really?
Yeah?
I'm finished, sir. I'm finished. I'm cleaner here.
You're clean.
I like my job. Have a good set. Okay. Little bit squeeze. 2 reps, please. 2 more, yeah, please. And oh, yeah.
I mean, you don't look like you're a thing.
Can I prove you? I have special method.
With the bands.
Yes, you know this?
I mean, yeah, I don't use it, but...
You know about stretching, shaping, vaping, you know?
Not really, I mean, like...
But it's very good for big weights. It's for biceps. You're doing this 2-3 times a day, and you
use this
have...
for your biceps?
I use only this. And look at me. I'm sorry, but it's very good for... Maybe can I prove you?
Yeah, be
Yeah?
my guest, see if you can lift.
You can do like this.
Are you okay?
Just 1 minute. 2.
Stop.
I need a little bit warm up. I'm sorry. Little bit warm up. It's for pumping arms, you know. And you're doing like this. Yeah, it's for power.
Okay.
It's special method.
Special?
It's really good equipment.
Think I should try it?
Yes, you can try. Okay, and now you need to pay $20. I'm sorry.
I pay 20 bucks to doing this?
No, it's a joke. Call me anytime.
Okay. I
Trainer
will.
Viniamin.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, have a good set. Biceps. For biceps?
Yes, biceps.
Nice. Looking great, man. Can you like maybe show me something like technique or?
Sure, you want to go there? That's right.
Where?
That's right. Lightweight.
You don't understand me. If I want the same biceps like yours, I should do the same weight, or?
You can do lightweight more.
But if I'll do lightweight, like I will be same like a girl looks like. I'm doing like this. I mean,
That's too light. You gotta try the real thing.
the real thing. That's what I'm asking. Like, can you just hold it? Why you like? This was I'm talking. I'm doing like this always, like for biceps thing, like this.
That's great.
You can hold it
Where'd
as
you
well.
get this from?
Oh. So is it like something like this,
I guess I
or,
look here, look there, over where am I scared? Where am I at?
or I should take something like heavier? I don't like now. You mean I should take something bigger, or?
And we all got dreams, we all want things.
Make or what?
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you
You mean still lightweight, or? I will just take it. I should do bigger, yes.
She's leading me on. It's the trial of prevention.
Oh. Oh. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so. It's a very good exercise. I'm in shock. I'm trainer here.
Ah, okay.
I'm trainer here.
Okay.
All good. And this exercise very good for abs, you know.
Ah, that's 10 bucks.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's natural. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Call me anytime. I'm here, okay?
Okay.
See you. Oh.
Anatoly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You're ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
See your baggage.
It's fine. I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's fine. Powerlifting.
It's my dream, yes. I lifting only nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Well, welcome to the gym.
Yeah.
Let's get started. We're going to start with some nice, light, easy weights. Technique.
Yes, very good here.
That's wonderful.
I like it.
We will make you strong.
Be strong.
Very.
Be happy.
But I think.
Maybe today we lift big weights or not.
Okay, so lying down. Yes. 1, 2, 3. So you lie down.
Oh. Oh. Oh, this
The
bar.
bench press with bar.
Oh, yes.
Might be easier.
Is that? Is,
Okay,
yeah.
come into this one. And then I will lift.
You need help? No.
Thank you. Am I good? I'm good.
Yeah, please.
And then here, 1, 2, 3. And then up.
Whoa. She's doing like this guy in YouTube, you know?
Exactly.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Okay, technique a little bit off. This one has to come down, come down, come down, come down.
Yeah.
There, you see?
Down. Yeah.
Now, fire up.
Oh. But I have only 3 weeks for minimum 100 bench I need.
100
Minimum.
bench in 3 weeks.
In 3 weeks. Can I show you my goal, you know, my goal weight? Is it possible?
Yeah, of course.
Barbell like in YouTube video, you know? Like,
I see, yes.
like Larry Wheels, you know?
I think maybe we'll just do one.
No, it's not my dream.
This one too.
No, I need think more need.
More.
Yeah. And this, please.
And this?
Yes, this one.
This is way above what you can do right now.
Whoa. Maybe can I try a little bit?
I mean, it's a bit dangerous. I probably don't recommend it. Don't think it's a
I
good
know.
idea.
Little bit, only like this.
This is the goal. Yeah, you have to have dreams.
Whew. Whew. I'm sure.
You got it?
Oh, it's,
See how heavy this is?
it's so heavy. Yeah, sure. Oh. Dreams come true. Like,
Money from blast off.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This is 100 kg.
But it's my goal.
Okay, competition next week.
I'm sorry, brother. Thank you, bro. Oh, I'm sorry. Today's gym so dirty. It's bench press, guys, yeah? Yeah. It's bench. It's very good weight. Can I do with you? It's possible? Or
You want to train with us?
yes.
All right.
We need only warm up, guys.
For you?
No, I need only warm up. It's fine. I'm sure.
Wow.
Whew.
I got money busting out the money clip.
I'm regular cleaner, but I like gym.
Are you sure you don't want me to help you?
Yes. No need help you.
I'm ready, another leg. Yeah. Hey, another leg.
No.
Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing that.
Let's go, Anatoly.
That's for sure, if it's show. That was.
It's a little bit warm. Thank you, guys. Thank you. A little bit clean. See you guys. Have a good time. I'm sorry. It's not problem. I will clean this area. Oh, shit. Biceps, right? It's good.
Tick tock, timeless.
I will do like one step with you. It's not problem.
Take off, pilot.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just leave this here. Yeah, you can do this clean now, much better. I'm sorry. Oh, 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 oh. Just help. Yeah. Thank you very much. Oh,
Pretty impressive, man.
I don't hear you.
Pretty impressive.
I don't hear.
Pretty impressive. Very, very good. Good.
Good. You next or?
I don't think so. I think I'm gonna stick with the 40s. How are you doing? How are you curling this much?
I don't hear you. I'm sorry.
How? How was it happening?
Okay, you can do. Or. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I don't hear anything in this place.
Killing spree!